All right, we got a 2003 Toyota Matrix brakes. Pretty simple job. So we're doing brakes and rotors. So obviously it's been ringing out here. Maybe look at the back. Look at that. Man, someone got some rumble on their pedal. So we're gonna knock this out. We're gonna put some new pads on here and a brand new rotor. Looks like her shock is bad, so that's for another time. All right, let's get these brakes done. So looks like a 14 and maybe a 17. So let's get this jammed out. All right. And then the cool thing, so they should kind of work the same way. So you just pop one out. Let's see if I can get this to do what I want it to do. And then look at that. You only have to take out one. Pop it out. They usually have a hanger on here, but it's not going to put that much stress on it. Okay. So you got one out, and then when you have this out, we got to grease it. Oh, look what fell. Probably because let's check out this pad right here. Oh, what a mess. Uh-oh. Oh no. Man, look at that. Oh, Toyota brake. I hope this is not original. I hope. That's pretty impressive. It is, honestly. So there's that. This guy's gonna come out. I'm all super easy. Look how easy this thing comes out. Oh, it's like the easiest thing in the world. Okay. I might over exaggerate it a little bit. Alright, before I forget, you guys do your brakes. Make sure you open this up. Oh, cool. The working hood prop. These are my favorite. Alright, come over here. Make sure you pop this lid off, okay? Because when you gotta compress the calipers, they gotta come back out. Alright, some people do it different way, some people bleed it out this way. But if it's a tight, airtight system, why put air in it? This is my cool hammer right here. It's been hanging out with me for years. I call him Thor. It's hard to do this and hold the phone. You know what I could do? Yeah, that one's gonna be a 17. See it right there. So once you got this guy out, see he has an upper, yeah, have a stand. Oops. There's that. This is what I'm excited to show you guys. Check this out. This. Look at this. Pull that out. Oh man. Look at that. Someone's into making art, but it's okay. We got a brand new rotor for this bad boy. So I take this off with all the metal shavings. Look at that. Look at that metallic dust. Okay, so well, that's that. I'm gonna compress that caliper with this cool tool right here. Here. We move that to the side. So you get that cool tool. Put this right here. Not quite yet. Almost there. And then, let's see, this right here. Watch that go in there. You gotta make sure you examine the caliper for any leaking. Make sure there's no leaks in your hoses or anything. Takes a little bit of time, a little muscle. Some people have the ratchet style caliper. I know there's easier things to do it, but this is what I have, and I never remember to buy the other one. Trying to make sure this little cushion right here. We're almost there. A long day, guys. I think that should do it right there. Should be pretty freaking close. Alright. So you get this little rubber booty. And if it wants to kind of flex, just make sure it's out of the way of the brake. You don't want it to pinch on there, and then you get dust and dirt in there, and then cause damage to your piston. That looks a little better. Okay, so pretty much same stuff. There's really no dust in here. I like to get a little bit of grease, just a little bit, just to kind of, you know, sometimes you could order the Duralast gold ones. But this is pretty much it. Let's put a little bit of lube in there. I like to do it. Some people have the other techniques or whatever, and you guys can say whatever you want, but this works for me. It's good stuff. Just to keep them lubed. So try not to touch any of the brake pads. Don't touch them. Don't think about touching them. Don't even pretend about touching them. Just don't touch them. Okay? You can touch the back or whatever, but you know, try not to put no thumbprints on there. You could hurt your rotors. You could glaze them. You could do whatever you want. Do whatever they feel like doing. Just don't freaking touch them, okay? And if you can, it's not the big. If you do touch them, it's not the end of the world. It's really not. So just try not to touch them, okay? So I like to set them in here like that. Then all together now, I like to do this. Don't touch your rotor either. Don't touch your rotor. You can. I don't like to touch them. All right, how am I gonna walk with all this stuff? All right, I like to do this. Remember, don't touch your rotor. Don't touch it. Watch me touch it. Over here telling you not to touch it. So it's a fun, easy way. You go like this and just line up the top one from the rear. I can't show you. All right, get one thread started. And you're gonna go over here, get the other one. Make sure this. There we go. Feel like that thread was going in there a little sideways. So there's that. And you're gonna reverse the steps. So yeah, see how I put them on there without touching them? You know, everybody got their own way to do brakes. You know, I'm not gonna criticize nobody else's. Everybody was taught by different instructors in their life. But honestly, if it's torqued down, it's safe. Excuse my pants. I'm trying to hold this with my legs so you guys can see it too. Not too much. You could get a torque bar or whatever you want, but once you've been doing this a long time, you kind of get a feel for it, okay? And then this guy, remember we packed that other eyelid with grease, so you're gonna kind of massage it in there. Make sure you get a nice massage in there, and then squeeze those guys. Make sure your rotors, don't touch your rotor. And if you do, it's not the end of the world. And this guy is gonna slip in there like that. Nice and easy. It's not hard at all. No, it's really not. So that should be that. Don't forget, you gotta, when you're done with this, you gotta go inside, put your, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna show you the other side. It's the same thing. So when you're done here, you're gonna put your cap back on after you're done with the other side, and then you're gonna pump your brake pedal until you have until you start feeling more pedal. Because if not, you put in gear right now, you're not able to, it's just gonna coast right out of there. So make sure you pump your brakes until it's tight, and then you're gonna be okay. Hopefully that helped you on your brake replacement. Put that You got the idea. Pretty sure you could just torque down the rest. Call it a day. Thanks for watching. Alright, well, wheels on. Don't forget to put your cap back on. Look at that. Nice. Come over here. And if you look, there it goes all the way down. And you're gonna pump again, pump again, pump again. And that's it. And you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.